Yo guys, what's up? We're here and we have options expiring in RIOT Blockchain. So, Bitcoin I'm bullish on, so I'm going to roll this out a little further, try to collect some capital while I wait for Bitcoin to go back up and take blockchain with it. RIOT. 90 cents, that's pretty good. Let's see what we can do here. Let's view the order. Okay, the order in RIOT filled at 90 cents. Alright, here we go. We're out for another month. Let's try to roll this one now. Oh, this one's only a week. Much better. Let's get 80 cents. That's be good. Nice. Alright, there you can see we rolled out one of the RIOT puts for a week and the other for a month. And I think we're going to be doing okay here. Alright guys, be sure you subscribe to see how I handle these options and how these go in the future. Thanks for watching.